Hello and welcome to my profile. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jahanzeb. I am from Pakistan. I have a degree in electrical engineering and I want to become an expert in data entry operations. I have more than 5 years of working experience and I can work efficiently with Microsoft Office, Google Docs, and Excel spreadsheets. I have excellent verbal and written communication abilities as well as a typing speed of 50 words per minute. So if you are looking for a skilled person, then you are reviewing the right profile. I can assure you that your job will be done perfectly at the right time without any mistakes. So if you feel interested and have faith in me, then give me a chance to make your project successful. Thank you very much.